You are watching the disaster news, and stay connected with us by subscribing to get next news. Residents of California are under the grip of a terrible snowstorm. San Bernardino is the worst at this time. Heavy snowfall has severely disrupted public life there. Several communities in San Bernardino have been stranded by heavy snow. Due to the snowfall, the doors of the houses were closed, making it difficult for people to get out. It snowed so much that even the people inside the house didn't know what was going on outside. Some locals say they are running out of food at home and feel the need to get food to them as soon as possible. People appeal for help by writing help in a large snow-covered area. Most houses have several feet of snow on their roofs. Homeowners fear that their houses will collapse at any moment. Due to severe snowfall, they have not been able to go out of their homes for days, due to which their cars and other belongings were covered in snow. The crew of Rattlesnake, the government's highly specialized joint task force for helping people in extreme snow conditions, left Fresno in the morning and arrived at noon. They are actively working in close coordination with local fire and rescue personnel in San Bernardino. Around-the-clock plowing is underway in the San Bernardino Mountains, but could take more than a week to reach some areas, said County Board of Supervisors Chairman Don Rowe. Residents are dealing with as much as 7 feet of snow, and sheriff's crews have conducted 17 rescue operations to help off-roaders and skiers. Emergency crews are trying to reach residents who need help. If you like the video, then comments and stay connected with us by liking, sharing and subscribing to get the latest news.